I'm here in a late night working on the Peregrine Falcon as he takes off from the branch. Just trying to capture that motion as I rough out the piece. Just working a little more and more on the feathers. Got a little bit of that going. Shaping him out. He's looking more and more like a peregrine every day. I put that little rod in just to brace that wing because it's a little bit floppy with the armature. Then I roughed out the feet and roughed out the talons. Of course, those are going to be sharpened and changed a lot. But everything's taking shape nicely, just working a lot of late nights. Trying to get them done on time. He'll be done soon.